Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 4th, 2022. I got some massive news to talk about today for Meta, formerly known as Facebook. You guys can see that the market is speaking. And one thing that I understand by looking at price charts is that you got to pay attention to what the market is saying. And you can do that by looking at a price chart. So I'm here to give you all this very crucial information as to what has changed in terms of dynamics from the price chart and what we need to do to circumvent and see how we need to react. What do we need to do now, seeing that the price in Meta has fell 26%? Now, before I break that down, before I go into my last price prediction, you guys can see it right here on the chart. You guys appreciate it? Hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our channel, follow me on all my social media platforms as well. I want to make sure that you all understand that you don't have to do a whole lot of in-depth fundamental analysis. You don't have to place 9, 10, 15 indicators on your chart just to figure out what the market is trying to do. Where is it trying to go? Should I buy? Should I not? Because the price chart is already telling you that. So let's break this down real quick. I did a video in Facebook. I did an update video into the market in Facebook, Meta, on December the 16th. Now you guys can see that this price prediction goes all the way back to November the 12th. I was playing the strength into the market in Meta then, and then I came back on the 16th of December, did an update, and you guys can tell I was still expecting the price to go up. Now, even on that video, you guys can go back and listen to it. I told you that 350 could be a small place for us to nibble. So I did the video on December the 16th, and that is where the market in Meta came to on the 28th. We saw the price in Meta come up there to 350, and that was how high the market went. That was it. $2. $2. 2.75% profitability was right there. That was it. And now you guys can tell that following that 350 touch, the price has fell off, and then just yesterday massively. Now, if you guys didn't get out the market at that 350 and you waited, and you're still in the play now, you're down 30%. All right. But let me show you something though, because the market is speaking and I pay attention to the market. I don't pay attention to nothing else because everything else is irrelevant. What people do with the money is what matters most. People don't play around when it comes to money. And when you see a massive move this way, 26%, with all of this climactic volume, look at this volume. Look at this volume comparative to what we saw in the history of Meta or Facebook, right? We haven't seen this much volume come into the market in Meta since July 2018. Yeah, the market hasn't seen this much volume since then. The market changed. Many people were getting out their positions yesterday. How do I know that? Because the volume tells you how active the market was in Meta. Look at that. This one bar stands out. This is how you also know that the dynamics, the environment has changed in Meta. So if you were bullish into the market in Meta, you might want to change that thesis, because all of this volume is letting you know that a whole lot of other people is now feeling different about Meta going forward. Now, considering that's the case, considering that the market in Meta broke very important support areas, namely $300, then you saw the market break 280, then you even saw the market break 250. So where's the next level, right? Check this out. We need to see this market in Meta, right? Come and give us the trend. This is what the trend is. So this trend started back in 2013. Price in Meta has been going up, or Facebook, right? Now, seeing that we dropped 26% yesterday, seeing how the environment has changed, seeing how the volume came through yesterday, we now need to consider price in Meta coming down to this trend. I mean, we did it twice. We did it here back in April 2020, right? We did it there. And then we did it again here in 2018. And we started this trend all the way back in 2013. The market has been trending higher. Been a fantastic run. Now, seeing how we've seen price in Meta come from $387 or $382 back down to where price was yesterday. That's 37.75% market move already we've seen reduced. Now we need to consider, where's the next level, right? Where is it? So let me show it to you. These are the areas that we need to see the market in Meta come and hold. This is the first level, okay, $220. And that's very doable considering that we saw this climactic action yesterday in the market in Meta. We could definitely see price come to 220. The second level is going to be here, 200, which will take us towards testing this trend. 220, 200. Now, if we break the trend, which I'm not anticipating right now, this massive bullish run that Facebook or Meta was going through is over. It was a great run, but all things must come to an end. And we break this trend in Meta or Facebook, then guess what? It was a great run. So let me go ahead and do you all my price prediction. I'm going to keep this line here because I want us to start paying attention to it. Seeing that the market is speaking, seeing that so many people are trying to take the bag, take the profits. They know that the overall change has occurred into the market in Meta. So we're going to follow them. So let me show you what we got. Okay. So when you see this on a weekly time frame, okay, look at this. I want to show you how wide the spread is. You see that? This tells you that the market also in Meta has changed. And basically this very wide spread, it's not going to be an issue for us to even hit 220, 200. That's very doable into the market here from a weekly perspective. This is Meta on the monthly right now. I mean, we still got 24 days left, but we're not looking too good, right? We're not. This is where the market restriction is going to be seen. $256. Now I'm going to increase it up here to like 280 in order for us to continue to play the weakness in the market. Okay. I told you that we got 220 first, which is around 7.75%. The next level is going to be around 200, which is around 15.86% market movement to the downside. Okay. So let me go ahead and bring this in closer because I want us to follow the market closely in Meta. Okay, let me bring this in. And we're going to bring this on our radar now. We're going to follow Meta here on our radar on this trend. We want to see the market in Meta come and grab this trend. Okay. So you guys can see what I'm looking forward to. Right here. We got, like I said, 220 first is price target and $200 is next. So there it is. Now, it's your turn. I mean, like I said, I pay attention to the price chart. I don't try to, involve a lot of information into my thesis as to what I'm thinking the price is going to do. Because when you think about it, everyone else who is involved in this market in Meta has already done their research too. Right before they even come in and do on a position, like before they come in and buy, before they come in and sell, they do their own due diligence. So why do we have to do it? They've already done it. And when they do it, they execute it by putting on a position. And the moment that they do, guess what? Those executions, those buys and those sells is here. You're looking at it right now. Everyone's orders, everyone's positions, the buys and the sells is here. You just got to listen. So I want you all to tell me, what is your price prediction, your price target in the market for Meta? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.